Hey everyone, it's time to talk about achieving big things in life. Now I know it sounds daunting, but trust me, it's totally possible. Let's dive right in. First, you need a vision. What do you really want? Picture it clearly in your mind. Write it down. Make it a part of you. Next, set SMART goals. That's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Break down that big vision into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate each win along the way. Now surround yourself with positivity. Find people who lift you up, who believe in your vision. It could be friends, family, or even mentors. If they're not around you, look for them online. Join communities that share your passion. Remember, consistency is key. Show up every day. Even if it's just a small step, take it. Over time, those small steps will lead to huge strides. Don't fear failure. It's a part of the journey. Learn from it, grow from it. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Lastly, take care of yourself. Your mind and body are your greatest assets. Eat well, exercise, get enough sleep. A healthy you is a more productive you. So, what's stopping you? Get out there and start making your dreams a reality. You've got this. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the motivation. Thanks for watching. See you next time.